quality, then he's a real tough customer for a lot of these very, very top players. Ryan Cuskelly.
But he had his best run in Qatar, didn't he, when he reached that semi-final? Some fantastic wins there.
And out for 3.
Phenomenal week that for Cuskelly. Just giving him freebies. So 5 game balls in this first game for the Yorkshireman.
Up.
Wow. Wonderful skill high up here.
And
Great
out
technique
6-10
as well. Had to
game ball.
actually jump up for that. Cuskelly's certainly trying to be a little bit more attacking now towards the end of this first, but that was a bit speculative really from high up.
11-6 game to Willstrop.
You see Cuskelly looking a little bit more busy at the beginning of the second, trying to really step up the court. You see a bit more pacey hitting. Of course, Willstrop can play at a fast pace. That's another wonderful nick appreciated by Willstrop.
2-love.
Good bit of skill there from the Aussie. Nice hands. Willstrop does like to play. It's a risky shot there from Cuskelly. The attempt at the 3-wall post, and that's a good dig from Willstrop. One of his underrated qualities, his retrievals and his dexterity in difficult positions.
Down.
That's good play again from Cuskelly. He's got Willstrop struggling at times. Played that one earlier to a winner, a little cross-court flick. So 5 game balls now for the Aussie here to take it into a decider.
Great that it is. Want to see more squash from these two.
Yeah, crowd loving what these two are putting on here.
Down.
So another error. Interestingly, 5
11-5
errors
game to
Willstrop.
Cuskelly. 1.
You know, if Ryan Cuskelly had played like this in the last 2 events, then he would have been in a different position. James Willstrop making the errors, though. I mean, this is a real turnaround, and it's come from a lot of errors.
3-9.
Well, you can feel the crowd. They want Willstrop to get into this match. As we said, he's been a favourite here for so many years. Of course, he's English, and this is the tournament in England. He just hasn't played well after that first game. Ryan Cuskelly, was that really good? He's going to get that. Well, a good bit of improvisation from Willstrop. Just half followed it, almost off the shoelaces. Great recovery here from Cuskelly, but this one here, that was not easy.
4-9.
One of the strangest volleys I've ever seen Willstrop hit. Still fighting here though. Oh, what a shot. What a finish there from Cuskelly.
Well, the Archer produces the results, of course. James Willstrop, total complete gentleman. Congratulating him there, Willstrop. Not having the best day at the office. Far, far too many unforced errors from the marksman, but Ryan Cuskelly capitalising and digging deep. Best of 3 format here. 43 minutes, Cuskelly winning 2 games to 1. We're going to hear from the Archer once he gets his breath back. And Alan.
28 years old, world ranking 16, Raphael.
That's good artistry there.
And out, 9-6. Not up, not up.
Again,
And
fantastic
out,
skills
10
in that front
all.
backhand.
A player must win by
To
2
level it up,
points.
go into a
Each
tie break
player
now
one
for
review available.
German champion, or the German. A real chance for Kandra now. He's going to take his time over the serve again.
Oh, he skied it out of court. He skied it out of court. He shakes his head.
14-12. Game to Kandra.
Straight on.
Oh, wow.
4-9.
Had quite a big lead in the first game. Not as substantial as this one. He's got to be careful.
Not up.
Read the service easily there.
And
so
out.
Tarek Momen serving with 6 game balls.
10-4. Game ball. (11-4). Game 2. Momen.
Yes, being full.
1 game all.
Side. He's not being given many opportunities now by Momen, who's taking the ball a lot earlier and with a lot more precision. Ooh, just clipped the top of the tin. He knows it straight away.
That shot reminded me
7-2.
of the maestro on my Shabana. Saw him do this a few times.
Yeah, he would. Tall.
Yeah, that's
Probably
why
Kandra's size.
I can't move my hips now.
Have to ask Kandra how his body's feeling.
Monkey.
Unbelievable.
4-8.
Loose ball put away beautifully here. Any lefties watching, thanks for coming.
Cool bits of paper there by the iPad.
It's, inventory. So finished straight away, but it was entertaining. It's very entertaining.
2 games to 1.
Certainly had to extract
12-14.
world number 3 squash
11-4.
out of Tarek Momen
11-4.
after winning that first game, Kandra. 34 minutes of very entertaining squash for the crowd and for everyone watching in the best of 3 format. Momen winning 2 games to
He's a lot, as you said, they're both quite aggressive. He's quite happy to place the ball, just wait for a better opportunity.
Oh, what a squeeze. There's got to be a massive roll. I don't know. I mean, couldn't count the shots there, Parky. I lost track.
And now, 4-6.
Yeah, clever shot. Very clever shot. There's the raw. More of an internal
And out,
bark.
7-4. Left, please. (11-7). Game to ElShorbagy. ElShorbagy leads 1 game to love.
Goodness me.
That's his
6-4. Left side, please.
There's a fist pump from El Toro. It's making ElShorbagy do some work here.
6-7.
And he's forced the error. He's forced the error.
11-9. Game to Golan.
So
1 game all.
El Toro, Barry, as he's known around the East End, just converted a brilliant second game. Proud of it. Frustrating interception. Oh.
Took the space well there, Golan. Ball was down the middle initially. Stitched himself a little bit there, SQUASHTV. Paid the price.
He's keeping his, making any mistakes in terms of getting distracted by that.
Wonderful shot.
Well played. Goodness me,
Little presser.
well played. That was seriously well played from SQUASHTV, wasn't it?
It really
was.
Was
Quite awkward.
And to get match ball as well. I mean, he's
match ball.
Oh, that was.
He took it so
serious
early.
winner. Yeah.
He took it so early. He knew it as soon as he lined up the tight for the beast. Hugely testosterone-filled second round encounter with Golan. Oh, he's got the bounce.
What a bit of bad luck for Golan, but just what the doctor ordered for SQUASHTV.
Terrific effort, 36 years of age. He's got more scar tissue than most veterans that have been on the PSA World Tour. It's a brilliant game of squash, very entertaining, very dramatic and intense. 48 minutes, 2 games to 1 victory.
Numerous matches against each other. Many notable occasions.
So Steve, racket face looks a bit close to me.
Yeah, a little bit closed. Still hitting the ball in the right area though.
Contrast on the forehand side, Declan James has a very open racket face. See there.
And that
Down.
normally slots those. First straight drop shot was very accurate, very tight. SQUASHTV did well to brush it off the wall.
4-5.
This attempted cross-court drop, just clipping the top of the tin. Just racing for the finishing line in this first game. Wonderful shot. Just got in front there, Declan James. Into a strength area.
7-9.
It's great technique.
Excellent shot to play against Declan James's frame.
Game ball.
Dragging him low and cross court.
Well, we talk about that slightly flat forehand. He certainly flattened that one.
For it.
I knew he would, he knew he would.
Really
that was
11-7.
not good, the second attempt.
No,
ElShorbagy leads 1 game to love.
Poor end really for Declan James there. Oh, it's better. I like to see that a bit more of a kind of the outburst. We saw the passion from Golan against Mohamed ElShorbagy, and I think this is a hard rally. Declan James is going to be breathing after this one. This is where he's got to go if he's under pressure into quality.
He's completely mishit it. I think his grip shot. Ball was behind him. He's tried to go for pace instead of defending, and he's completely.
See, that's
the grip slip.
When he's under the course like that, that's where you saw it with Borja. Golan would just start chipping with height.
Yeah. That's what you need to do. Definitely the grip slipped. That's great reaction.
We needed that.
Certainly did. Good head nod to the crowd.
Very good head nod to the crowd.
Hand out.
Crowd should have nodded back.
9-5.
Oh, he's got it. It's dead. Oh, he shanked it.
Oh, wow. How they do it.
Oh, that's great.
Oh, my God.
Well played, Declan. Thought he was going to do the old school scissors over the back wall. High jump scissors for those legs of his. This was brilliant. Look at the shot he produces from full stretch.
And there's the adrenaline you're talking about. Getting the crowd going, getting the crowd behind him.
Well, he is English.
Well, he
James,
is.
when he's under pressure.
post there from Shorbagy. He's in trouble now.
Oh, it's heavy though.
It really was. Oh, he's got away with it. He's got away with it, Declan James. And again, some passion there from the man from Nottingham.
9-6.
Really wants this. Absolutely.
I don't know how he's got that cross court.
It's not going to go away easily. This is a fascinating rally here. Oh.
Ball was good. Ball was good.
What's he checking? I don't know.
He thought it might have just cut the tin, but ball was good.
Hand out. 9-10 match ball.
So one match ball saved, tidied up well. Oh, nearly got a back wall nick.
Oh, he's got it. He's got it.
What
an anticipated volley that was.
James, 2 games to 1.
Steps up the court,
James wins.
takes the volley there.
7-11, 11-5, 11-9.
Clever play from James. Didn't expect that. That was a real quick attack.
It really was. You could see him moving across onto that backhand volley. The anticipation. There's Ken. Applause.
What a dramatic night of squash. The most dramatic ending in the last match. 46 minutes. Declan James taking out Marwan ElShorbagy. 2 games to 1 in 46 minutes.